Okay, so what's the criteria to determine a second degree type 1 heart block? Remember, in heart blocks, again, we're looking at the relationship between the P wave and the QRS. In a second degree type 1 Wenckebach, what you're going to find is an increasingly longer PRI interval until the QRS gets dropped. So you'll have a P wave, QRS, P wave, longer PRI, QRS, P wave, maybe even a longer PRI, QRS, then a P wave and no QRS. It drops off. Then the whole thing starts all over again. P wave, QRS, P wave, longer PRI, QRS, P wave, even longer QRI, QRS, P wave, and a dropped QRS. That is the criteria we use to determine second degree heart block type 1 Wenckebach. I'm Mark. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.